So we use the quadratic formula to solve a quadratic equations like this when we cannot factor. In this video will show you how to use this equation here, but you can go check out my website and it will show you how to derive this equation, but um, it's not that important. But the most important part is if you can use this equation here. So this here, the 5 is A and -7 is B and 1 is C. So A equal 5, B equal -7, and C is equal 1. You just plug this into here. So X is equal to -7 here plus minus -7 square, minus 4 times A is 5, times C is 1. So don't forget the square root. So actually this plus minus all over 2 times A is 5. And then we just we perform this operation here. So -7 squared, so that's 49, right? 49 minus, so 4 times 5 is 20, and times 1 is 20. So 49 minus 20, that's 29, right? So, and double negative become positive. So 7 plus minus the square root of 29 all over to 2 times 5 is 10. So this right here, this cannot be broken down anymore. I don't think so, because 29 is like a prime number. So we have two solutions for x. So x is equal to 7 plus the square root of 29 all over 10, and x equals 7 minus, because you have plus minus here, plus and minus, the square root of 29 all over 10. We can try to find the decimal solution by 29. I mean, you can just stop here, but if you wanna actually like find the decimal solution, you can follow along. Plus 7 equal divided by 10. So this is equal to 1.24, and then this one 29 the square root negative plus 7 divided by 10. That's equal to 0.16. So we can check if our solution is correct by plugging this and this into here. So let's start with this one. So 1.24 squared minus 7 times 1.24 plus 1. This should be equal to 0. So 1.24 squared times 5 minus 7 times divided by 2 times 1.24 plus 1. I mean, this is close enough to 0, so there was like some rounding error, so this is correct. And then this one, it would be 5 times 0.16 squared minus 7 times 0.16 plus 1. So 0.16 squared times 5 minus 7 times 0.16 plus 1. Again, this is close enough to 0. So it's just some rounding error. So this shows that our solution here is correct.